Hello everyone. Have you ever solved a math problem using PEMDAS and still got the wrong answer? In this video, we'll understand what PEMDAS really means, practice it step by step, and look at a common mistake students make. First of all, what is PEMDAS? PEMDAS actually tells us the correct order to solve math operations so that everyone gets the same answer. First, we solve what's inside the parentheses. So P here stands for parentheses. And then exponents. If you have the power of 2 or power of 3, it depends. After that, we have multiplication and division. Okay? These two have the same level. And same thing for addition and subtraction. Now, how we are going to deal with those with the same level, we are going to see that in the upcoming examples. Let's get started with the first one. In here, we have addition and multiplication, so two different operations. Which one should I do it first? Oh, let's remember PEMDAS. P, parentheses, then exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So in this case, first of all, we have multiplication, which is in the higher level than addition and subtraction, so I'm going to start with multiplication first. So let's solve it. So 3 plus 2 times 4, that's 8. And I'm left with addition, which is, in this case, 11. And that's how we do it. Let's take another example. In this one, again, let's remember the order of operation. Parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. So here, as you can see, we have the parentheses, so I'm going to start with it first. Always start with what's inside the parentheses. So 5 minus 1, that's 4, so it will become 10 times 4 divided by 2. Now, as you can see, I have multiplication and division. And both of them are in the same level. They have the same priority. So what do I do in this case? I will solve it in order from left to right. So in case I have two or more operations from the same level, I will solve it in order from left to right. So here, I will start with the multiplication first. 10 times 4, that gives me 40. And write everything else the same. And then I will do the division. The answer will be 20. Moving on to the next example. Again, as always, if we are still confused, always put the order of operations. Multiplication and division, and then addition and subtraction. We will start with the parentheses. So what's inside the parentheses is 4 minus 2. Okay, so it's 20 divided by 2. And don't forget the exponent to the power of 2 multiplied by 2. I will continue by doing the exponent now because it is higher than the multiplication and division. So 2 squared, that gives me 4. So 20 divided by 4 times 2. And here again, we have division and multiplication. And since both of them are in the same level, I will do it in order from left to right. So here, in this case, I will do the division first. So 20 divided by 4, that's 5, and write everything else the same. And finally, I have 5 times 2, which is equal to 10. And that's how we do it. Let's solve some more examples. Very good. Let's start with the first question. Here I have addition and multiplication. Let's put the order of operation, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Let's start with the multiplication first. So 4 times 3 is 12, so 8 plus 12. And then I'm left with the addition, which is equal to 20. And that's the answer. Moving on to the next one. Here I have the parentheses first, so 8 minus 3, that's 5, so 6 plus 5, and don't forget the power of 2. And now I have the exponent, so I will do 6 plus 25. And finally I have addition, which is 31. And that's how we do it. There we go. Moving on, I have here the parentheses to be solved first. So I have 10 minus 2, which is 8, so it will be 12 plus 8 times 3 to the power of 2. Now, here I have addition, multiplication, and exponent. Of course, I'm going to do the exponent first. So it will become 12 plus 8 times 3 to the power of 2 is 9. And since here I have multiplication, which is higher than the addition and subtraction, 8 times 9, that gives me 72. And don't forget to write everything else the same. And finally, I have addition. 12 plus 72 gives me 84. And that's how we do it. And let's go now and check our word problem. Here I have player earns 10 points per level and 4 bonus points. Find the total for 5 levels. So here I have 10 per, that per means multiplication, per level. and he gets 4 bonus points. Okay, they said find the total of 5 levels. So instead of level, I will have now 5. So that's what we need to solve. So let's write it down. 10 times 5 levels plus 4. I have to do the multiplication first, which is 50 plus 4. And after this, I have addition. So how much points we will have? I will have 54 points. And as you can see, we practiced one example from each case. If you want more practice that starts from easy and gets harder step by step, I've prepared a full worksheet with 5 levels. You'll find the link in the description below. Now, let's check some common mistakes students make with PEMDAS. In the first case here, as you can see, we have the addition is solved first, then the multiplication, which is not correct because we have to follow the order of operation, PEMDAS. So parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, then addition and subtraction. Here, we did the addition first, then the multiplication, which is not correct. So the correct order to do it, let's write it again. First of all, we have to follow the multiplication to become 6 plus 6, and finally, we do the addition and the answer is supposed to be 12. And that will be it for this video. To continue building your math skills, the next thing you should do is watch this video. I'll see you guys next time.